Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, another soda review. This is one I actually saw a while ago, and I really want to try it. I haven't seen it at the store until now, so I'm definitely late to the game. This has come and went. I don't even know if it's still a thing. This might be new old stock. Who knows? But we have Dr. Pepper Creamy Coconut. This is the zero version. I also have the regular version. We're going to try both. All right, so let me open these up. I'll be right back. All right, so first up, we have the zero version. Whoa! A lot of coconut. Wow, a lot of coconut. Very much suntan lotion. Cheers. That is a banger. It is like 80% coconut, 20% Dr. Pepper. Coconut's amazing. I love coconut flavored stuff. Dr. Pepper's pretty damn good. That's a winning combo. All right, let's try the full sugar version. Is it worth the calories? Probably not. No, definitely not. Doesn't seem as carbonated to me. Let's see, let's go back. Flavor might be, it's a touch sweeter. That's about it. This is good. If you want a dark flavored soda, like, you know, if you like Coke, Dr. Pepper, that kind of thing. The coconut really does give us something, so huge thumbs up for that. But that's it. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you soon.